Today I had a bit of a triumph and I just thought I would share it with you. This week from eBay I purchased this. It is a Pioneer DRM 6324X. It is a 24X 6-disc CD-ROM changer. It connects to your Mac or PC with SCSI. These things were pretty good back in the day, especially if you worked at a service bureau and you needed access to one of those big clip art collections. Pioneer did make an 18-disc changer that took 3 caddies. It was strange. Here's a CD caddy. The beige ones are supposed to be for data. The black ones are supposed to be for music. You load them upside down like that, otherwise they will not read. As I said, I bought this from eBay. It arrived broken. I have since fixed it. What did I do? Let me show you. This gear right here was loose in the case. It wasn't engaging. This tower right here has another gear, and that actually engages the mech inside the CD drive so that it can change the discs. It was only reading the first disc. It wasn't reading any others. So what I did was I opened it up. I moved this out of the way. This dislodged. I have a service manual, so I know which way to put it. I think somebody decided that they were going to put it in upside down, like a mushroom, with a large gear on the top. It needs to be on the bottom. So, how does this work? Well, the way it does work is this. There is a control panel called CLD Access for the Mac. And I'll open it up. And it's very bare bones. We enable the menu, we show icon at startup. And then there's some command keys. You can enable or disable mounting of an insertion, or you can press the option key to choose default audio drive because it'll play audio discs as well. This down here is a 604X and it uses a different driver. This one, when you put the magazine in with discs, it mounts them all at once. This one here you have to select. So let me look real quick. Okay, so you have to pick the next disc that you want to mount. And it will do that. And it has its own set of icons, but it numbers them. It tells you what tray they're in. So this is Phantasmagoria CD2, CD3. This is in tray 1, tray 2, tray 3. Where is Phantasmagoria CD1? It is right here. And I have the entire game. And it's 7 discs. So in order to get them all to load, you have to put one in your CD drive and let it start up. Now this is a Pioneer DVD burner, but it's just for testing today. I have an NEC that's much faster, and it's recognized by this Macintosh for disk burning. But we'll see here in a second. It takes forever to mount. There's the Phantasmagoria CD number 1. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the other 3 very quickly. All right, so all 7 discs are mounted, and I'm going to go away really quick just to check something out. I will be right back. Okay, so I checked something out, and I created an alias on my desktop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly change the resolution of my Mac, not 256 grays, dummy, 256 colors, and 640 by 480. That way it'll fill the screen. We'll close the control. We'll close the control strip, and we will close drag thing. Drag thing will close. Cancel. No, I just want to quit drag thing. There we go. All right. So Phantasmagoria is right here. So you can start a new game. Let me turn the sound down a little bit. There you go. So we can call our game whatever we'd like. We can pick whatever chapter we'd like. The reason why it's good with a CD-ROM changer is because all the discs are mounted. So if we want to go to chapter 4, chapter 4 just loads. Trying to keep it straight. And there's chapter 4. Also, I think the 24x CD helps the full motion video for sure. And Phantasmagoria PPC unexpectedly quit, because that's what it does. This is really just a proof of concept. So let's go back to my original resolution, and we will end this here. So the most fun part is ejecting CDs. So on a Mac, we drag them to the trash, they eject. And so if we want to eject the entire caddy, we drag them up. You can unmount a single CD, and that is fine. And then it disappears, and it's no longer there. So if we want to get out, we can. It is unmounted. All right, so now let's unmount the entire thing. And it may re-register a couple of disks just to make sure. And there you are. Everything is done. So that is a triumph. I didn't think I would be able to fix that. I thought I would have to ask for a refund. So I'm going to button everything back up, and then I'm going to move the 604 out. So I have everything buttoned back up, and I have put things where they will go permanently. And if you remember my setup, you remember that I had it all on a card table. I don't anymore. I have this nice wooden desk now that everything lives on. And yeah, and we are shooting with a new camera too. So I think this is going to work. So it does now perfectly work. And this video was just to document that I fixed it, maybe that you need help if you need to fix yours. And so if you learned something from this, great. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.